Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making rosemary and cloves oil. Rosemary essential oil stimulates hair growth, improves circulation, and reduces dandruff. Clove oil is rich in antioxidants. It helps protect the scalp. It reduces inflammation and promotes healthy hair growth. Together, they can strengthen the hair follicles, enhance shine, and support a healthy scalp. Alright, so to make this hair oil, I'll take half tablespoon of rosemary. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, essential oils, vitamins like vitamin A. These nutrients contribute to rosemary's potential hair benefits. I'll take half tablespoons of cloves. Cloves stimulates hair growth. It has antimicrobial properties, reduces dandruff, strengthens hair, and improves scalp health. So I'm going to grind this. This is what we have. I'll pour this into another bowl. I'll be using olive oil for this mix. You can use almond oil. I'll use 1/3 cup of olive oil. Olive oil hydrates and nourishes hair, reducing dryness and frizz. It soothes the scalp, repairs split ends, and promotes shine. So to warm this up, I'm going to be using the double boiler method to get those ingredients infused in the oil. I'll leave the water to boil for a while, then I'll place my mix in the pan. I'll let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally. I'll let the oil cool, then I'll strain this because I don't want all the particles getting trapped in the hair when I apply it. So I'm going to transfer the oil into a clean bottle. Guys, you have your rosemary and cloves oil. You can apply this to the scalp with an applicator. This oil feels so good on the hair and it feels light as well. I enjoy using this oil on my kids' hair and also on my hair. Guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Feel free to try this out and let us know the outcome. We would like to hear from you. Until I come your way again, my name is Ruby. Keep staying fabulous and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.